So now you can take your product, put it on, and put new caps on this end. And that's all you got to do. Hey everybody, you got Keith here with AL13, and we're going to show you today how to remove any damaged panels that you may find on your job site and replace it with a new one. Alright, so what I'm finding here is I've got a bad panel. Now I need to assess what extrusions I need to remove in order to replace just this one panel. Beauty of AL13 is we don't have to take off the sequential panels beside it. We can just take this one off and replace it with a new one. So I'm going to, looks here, I have to cut this one. I need to cut this one out and then remove these and pop this panel out nice and easy. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the saw. So I'm going to set the saw to a depth that I don't affect the screw behind on the back plate, because the back plate is in the back, and I don't want to sacrifice this. I just want to sacrifice the top caps, reveal or flat, depending on what product you're using. So what I do here is obviously make sure your battery is not on. So I'm going to remove the battery just to make sure I don't cut myself. Okay, and I'm going to set the depth here so that's too deep. You can see that it's not gonna. I'm going to end up hitting the screw. So I'm going to adjust this with this particular saw. So I'm going to set the depth so that it's just going to touch the top cap. So I think that's still a little high, so I'm just going to do that, and I think we should be good, like now maybe a little down. That's probably good right there. So I'll tighten this guy back up. There, now we're all set and we can put the battery back on. And we can start the process. Put some proper glasses on. Okay, so let's start. So now you can take your product, put it on, and put new caps on this end. And that's all you got to do.